So as you can see, my living room is at 6s and 7s. I've got all this stuff set out. I've been decluttering and putting some things together for the One Box Challenge. What's the One Box Challenge? Well, it is a challenge which is hosted by Michelle at MyEverydayHousewifeLife, where you fill a box, one box or more if you desire, with things that no longer serve you. Not trash, but things that have been gently used and things you enjoy, but you're at a different season of your life and they just don't serve you anymore. So I've got lots of things out here, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I love pretty plates. Look at these, aren't they delicious? I got these plates and I have these bowls that go with them. And I use them to decorate my buffet in the spring and things like that. But I just don't have the time or the energy to do all of that kind of decorating anymore. So I thought I would let these go so they could serve someone else. And these cute little finger dishes here, I just love the color. I like them for fall, but I hardly ever use them, so I am going to let these go. I bought some new containers to organize in my cabinets, and I just don't have room for these. And look at all the stuff I've got up here. Remember when I was on the Raydon train? Well, this is going. And then I've got these little Peeps egg cups, which I have never used. And they're just things here that no longer serve me, so I'm going to let these go. So right now they're not in the box, but they will be. And look at this. Isn't this absolutely adorable? I had my husband hang this in the kitchen, drill a hole in the wall to hang it. I probably had it up 3 months and decided I wanted something else up there. I'm just living life a little bit simpler. I just have a little rooster calendar up there now, one on each side of the wall, so I thought this can go to someone else as well. And while we're talking about decluttering and things that no longer serve you, let's talk about guilty clutter. Things like this, little gifts that someone may have given you that you loved at one time, but you've kind of moved on, you're in a different season and they no longer serve you, but you feel obligated to keep them because they were a gift. Once they've been given to you, they're yours to do with as you wish. Once you've used them, you've enjoyed them, and now you're ready to let them go to serve someone else, put them in the box. I'll pan around and let you see all the different things that I've got. Then I'll actually get things in a couple of boxes, and hubby will put them in the trunk of the car and get them out the door. Put a link in the description box below so that you can check out what Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life is putting in her one box for her one box challenge. And then I'll also link the playlist so that you can see what all the other creators are sharing. For more episodes of me decluttering and cleaning in my home, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you're not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on Whole House Declutter, finding the hidden clutter in your house. And I'll see you next time.